Hello, today you get custom Windows 7 installation using the RT7 Lite program. Now, there will be downloads in the description. One of them goes to a x64, one goes to an x86 version. So which one you will need to use, go ahead down to your start menu, or your computer and go properties. Right here it will tell you, no, right here it'll tell you, we're going to use the 64. Since 32-bit, you'll need the x86 version. So basically, if you want to set ISO as well, I'm downloaded. You go to Microsoft, I'll show you. Are you going to download the ISO as well? The program to download the ISO. Mine is in here under NT, and then I think that one's it right there. No, this one. That's actually duh. Alright. So we have to run through the installer. If you either wrong one, it just won't work, so there's no harm. I just did that actually in the last recording of this. So we did run it. Next. Next install. Usually the 32-bit version will work on 64-bit, but these guys are just assholes and make it where it won't. Just be annoying. Irritating, but not that hard to fix. Not just in general annoying, but not hard to fix. Go ahead, finish, and run this RT7 Lite. Windows 7 Configuration tool. This is no longer being made, so it's just old setting version. When I came with other flash drives, I have one flash drive, and it will be the drive I use to install from. I need to find the actual drivers I need to load on her. And that drive is probably a Mac formatted drive. So crap. Hook this right up. There we go. Here's one. So I need to block that out probably. I need this one right here. And that one right there. Cool. I got it. Taking awfully long time to load. Alright, cool. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Hit yes to this. Just ignore it. Or not. Fuck. It's in beta. So it's gonna be having problems, probably. Next sentence that further located. So you gotta extract the ISO then maybe? No, yeah, okay. Set that ISO. So desktop. New files. Set disk, NT. The orbit, extract path. Just go to the desktop. Make new folder. When. Sorry. Just go like that. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and go professional. Yeah. Oh, it's done. Alright. About time. What can we do here? I haven't watched the tutorial on this shit, so go back to me, right? Task. Yeah, okay, no. Alright, integrate. You can integrate on security drivers with the brand correct integrations. Okay, you have to deal with that. Oh, I need that. Maybe. Do it unintended. Yeah, I can't. Beautiful. Okay. Integration. Fuck you. Drivers. Add. 64 bits. So So like that. Okay. I had this before, so it's probably bad, but oh. Set information to INF. Okay. I need the Wi-Fi card driver. 64-bit. Hopefully that'll work. Alright, add printer. No, dumbass. Oh well. This may not even work at all. Okay, V200 series driver. No, we want the display. Oh crap. Let's try this. Type display. Oh, this is network. Here. This is printer. Okay. Oh. Let me go do that and just go through every one of these. I'll do that. Okay, apply. Now, fuck off. Die already. Okay. What okay, oh, God. Fuck off. Okay, full name. Let's just go right now. Your name is a. Doesn't open shit. That organization name. Work. Group. Display we want to set. Oh, information. Yeah. So do it. Skip key. Get at home, check your computer. That's so. Original. Oh, I really don't want to do that. That won't work too well. Yeah, I don't want this. Yeah, I do. Maybe we can do it, I don't know. Yeah, I don't want this unattended thing. I can't erase the hard drive. That'll fuck me over. Okay, right. But I don't want that. Okay, well, you. Okay. Subtitle. Mode. Create image. And then. Oh. I'm gonna go this. USB middle. Alright. Wouldn't install. And go ahead and hit this. I'll go ahead and cut the video off and I'll come back with you guys. Actually, yeah, I better not because first of all, fuck. Yeah. Alright, let's say 3 minutes. Alright. It is done. Okay. And now I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when I'm installing it. Alright. Well, you guys, now we're going to see what happens when we boot off the flash drive we just created. So you're going to go down my USB, say this closing card, hit enter. And now we'll see what happens to boots. But booting usually, I don't know. Alright. Now, hold on, let me make sure someone. Alright. Now let's see if there's no interruptions. If this shit actually works or not. go to the next English. Yes. Still on now. Okay, this is moving kind of slow. Maybe it's getting slower. Maybe now it's starting to kick in. Hopefully not fuck everything up. Yeah, I'll select Pro. Sounds good. Next. Okay, we can do this though. Do you want to erase this computer? Yeah, no shit, you can't install it here for luck. Dumbass. Alright. So I'll leave this going. And I'll be back. This is a screen video though, shit. Let's go like this. For the next screen video. No, I don't remember key, but that's it. Right. I totally know what this is, yeah. Okay. That don't fucking help anything. Okay. Panel. Run sound. I'll have to do that here. Oh, that's right. Duh. Dumbass. Fuck you. Think of the XP way to do it. You gotta do it here to do it in 7. Manager. Alright, let's see here. Unknown device. What the hell that is. Graphics, not VGA, it's a funny thing. Okay, driver. Driver. Browse. Packing list. Back. NVIDIA to the 4th. What the hell it is. What card is this? Yeah. And by fuck. That's the button graphics card right there, actually. Out of the motherboard card. Oh, let's see this working or not. Let me go find the Wi-Fi card and see if that's loaded on here. If not, this is fucking useless. Alright. So I got the new, or not the new, but the Wi-Fi card hooked up. It's a USB card, so I can't plug it back in without showing the computer up. It's not PCIe, unfortunately. Okay, let's just do CEWLAs. Oh crap. What is here? Fuck. This video just sucks. Damn it. This is sucking. Alright, change the click. Best. What are you interrupted again? Same person twice. Network. Okay. There's some things with the incorporated. Okay, come on, please be enter. AR. You fucking me now. That was fucking useless. Really? Fuck it. Hello, it's Wednesday. Welcome to the video. Today about a custom Windows start using this Re7 Lite program. So we haven't run it. I haven't tried it yet, so this isn't a virus. Fucking bitch.